Welcome to the first use of the VECU Builder. Click on the Start menu and find ETAS VECU Builder. There is the documentation, also examples, and a folder for your workspaces. Let's create a new workspace. So, define a new workspace and name it Simple Example. The YAML file contains the configuration of the VECU. Well, close it for now, it is pre-configured. Close the editor to proceed with importing files and folders. You are asked to proceed with building based on what you just imported. Firstly, the VECU DLL or VECU SO is built. Secondly, the FMUs are built wrapping the binary. Every build creates a release FMU that protects your IP and a debug FMU that allows to step through your code. To check if it runs, drag and drop it to the check FMU script. The comma-separated output is the time followed by the outputs of the FMU. The output of the simple example is the product of 1 times 2, thus 2.0 is correct. Thank you for watching and see you next time.